Yeah, dito po kami magtatayo ng aming mansyon. There are lots of campers. It's fun. Kika na? Alright.
Ligo na.
Maka-change clothes. Pakadami na po ng caravan. Well, anyway, we are in Lapland. That there's no darkness during summer. It's getting cold even it's summer. Nasa taas na po tayo ng mapa ng world. We are here in Ivalo and this beautiful bear shop. Yan, oh. So ganito kalaki yung mga bear here. Tingnan na. Ang laki mo dong.